Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a grad organization and how I get organized with all of my grad school work with my school binder, my planner, and my phone. Those are three things I use. So the first things first is that I look at all my syllabi, and I always, in the beginning of the semester, try to print them all out so that I can physically have them, and then I start looking at all the important dates. Then I'm showing you my phone because I usually put everything in on my Google Calendar app, and I will link that down below because it's actually really useful, and it's color coded and it's really good. And yeah, so I usually grab all of my syllabi and then I put everything in first on the Google Calendar. Here I'm just showing you how it looks like, and you could see that it's color coded on the day of. When you click a day, that's the day screen, and then when you click on it, it has the monthly view, and it also has color codes on the day. So that's why I like it, mostly because of the color coding. So here I am using my binder that I had made in my last video, and here are my binder dividers, and these are just cardstock. No, actually they are folders that I cut in half, and I sized, and I made sure that those little tabs stuck out so that I can write the class names on the edges. And I usually used washi tape because it comes off really fast, and I can write and for every semester take off the washi tape and put new washi tape with the new classes that I'm taking. So that is what I'm showing you here. After I was done with the washi tape, I just wrote all of the names of my classes, and I did it with permanent marker because it was clearer to see than just the regular pen. So that's what I'm doing here. The next step that I usually do is I find scrap cardstock in like rectangular shapes, and I usually write the most important things about the classes, and I put them right in that front cover. And I usually write the exam dates, I write the day that we meet, I write also the evaluation of your grade, which is what counts for how much. So what exams and what projects are due and when they're due and how much they're weighed into your grade. Now that I'm done with that part of my planning, I put it and also washi tape in front of every section of the course, and I put in my syllabi inside the school binder. So then the next step is planning in my actual personal planner. So I am using the same planner that I've been having since last year. It's my DIY. I got it from Target. The only thing is that I changed the inside a little bit, and I'm not using my own inserts, but I created a little folder on the side with just hot glue and cardstock. and this is just a TJ Maxx planner. Inserts, all of them in there. I might change back to making my own, as I kind of messed up this planner, but we will see. It's kind of like a makeshift. I had to tape some things, and I changed the binding, but it was a little difficult. So I am just using this for now. And this is my January setup. It's really simple because I need to be functionally planning, and I like just the small details of decoration, such as a little washi on the sides and that little sticker on the bottom, which those stickers I did get from Michael's, I believe, so I don't have too many. And then on that side I do have my monthly to-dos of what I want to get done that month. So now I'm gonna get started writing, and I'm using a Micron Pigma 0.2 point, and I am also using the Zebra Midliner pastel highlighters, and these are very popular in the planner community. I got them both on Amazon for pretty cheap, and the Micron pens come with different size points, so that's the one that I got. So I am going to highlight everything that is not school or work related, and I highlighted that in a pink highlighter color. So now I am opening up my Google Calendar. So now everything is already in the Google Calendar, so I don't have to flip through a million syllabi, and just have everything at the palm of my hands. So here I am just filling out the rest of my schedule. I also have my work schedule there. So I am just putting everything in ink and planning for school and for my regular life. So I'm going to color code my classes with different highlighter colors, so I differentiate the differences, because if not, everything's going to be black, and I kind of need color coding to keep myself sane. I do have to plan a lot in advance. As you can see, I skip over to March and April because my work schedule is pretty much done for the month ahead, and also the syllabi also go all the way to the end of the semester, which is in April. So to me, it's really important to be planning and to make sure when everything is due, so that I don't lose track, because my life's a little hectic. I hope you guys like this video. This is aimed for any college students that are having trouble organizing themselves, or even a person who's already working and is deciding to go to grad school. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, comment below if you like videos like this, or if I can do more grad school, nursing school centered videos. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.